It was a cool winter day in Quebec. Sled dogs were howling in the distance, a grey-white mix of dirt and slush was covering the streets, and a Tasmanian devil was hauling ass in a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor through the twists and turns of the Canadian backcountry. That's right folks, Translogic's own Jonathon Buckley is back again to put the Ford Raptor through its paces on this episode of AutoblogVR. Starting the trip with a brief 360 degrees ride on a dog sled, Bucko quickly decides it's time to trade the dog power for horsepower and trades the Huskies for a Raptor. Right off the bat, he mentions the dreaded change from a V8 to a V6, something that frightened more than a handful of truck lovers. Luckily, as far as our host is concerned, it's not actually a downgrade. The new Raptor actually ends up squeezing out more power and more torque with the V6, so all is not lost. After spending some time on the road riding solo, Bucko then gets some seat time with a pro driver on a track. During the track experience there just so happened to be a Focus RS around, and you know what that means. We had to get some icy track time with that little beast as well. But hey, what are you doing still reading? This is VR content, baby. Grab yourself a headset online, download our VR app, and enjoy the ride as if you were right there with us. Each month, new episodes will launch on the AutoblogVR app. We'll be posting them here on Autoblog, but for the best experience, head over to the app, which you can download for free from the App Store and Google Play. Be sure to try it with a cardboard viewer, too.